Um,
This is IJ Thomas, IELTS coach, just showing how to give an answer for a question. This is the question. Due to the advancements in science and technology, the lifestyle of people everywhere in the world has become similar. Is this a positive or negative development? Before you start writing an essay, you need to plan. Planning should take about 5 minutes of your time. And what you do in planning is first step is to read it 2 times. Read the question 2 times. So I'm reading it again, and as you are reading, you should try to look for words to paraphrase the question. Paraphrase means getting words which are similar to what the question is showing. So when I'm reading this, due to the advancements in science and technology, the lifestyle of people everywhere has become, is this a positive development or negative development? So advancement, what are some words for advancement?
Betterment, evolvement,
Betterment, the evolution,
evolve.
the
Yes,
so the transformation. So you have to look for appropriate words due to the advance. You don't have to sometimes create totally new words. You can make just
yes,
words similar to advancement, which is advancing,
yes.
developments. These are some words that you can use. And after you paraphrase, you should make a decision. This is be part of your thesis statement. So you have to think that the lifestyle of people, another word for people, Vishal, what?
Public,
No, no, the public is not a very very
formal word.
yeah,
Yes,
it's not a very formal word. Thank you for that word. So you need to think of the people. You can say individuals, you can
Yeah.
say citizens.
yes.
These
Fellows,
are,
can we use fellows, sir?
no, fellows is not a very formal word. It's a
Okay,
slang kind of, so don't
okay,
use
Okay.
such words.
okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
World, you can use words like globalized, globally, globalized. Then they are asking, is this a positive or development? You can say it is for positive. You can say it is,
Negative
yeah,
impact.
it is a regressive. Regressive is
Regressive.
one word for negative. What do you
Okay.
think? I am going to go. You have to decide whether this is positive or negative.
Okay.
You
Okay.
cannot say this is both. IELTS is asking you one very simple question. Is the lifestyle becoming similar, positive or negative?
Hmm.
So you have to make a decision. Uh, how do you make a decision? Whatever points that you can express yourself fully and completely, use that as your decision. So if you have more points to write from your heart about positivity, please use that.
Okay.
So you have to decide whether it is a positive or negative development. How to decide? Which points do you think you can support better? Use that as a decision making device. So what do you think, class? You
It
think this is positive or
Positive.
negative?
I think this is positive.
positive.
Okay, we can take positive because it's
Positive.
simpler to write and we are
Yes.
aiming for 6.5 and 7, right? So we can think about a positive development. So the words, what words you can use for positive? What are some words you can think for positive?
Better.
For the betterment, but positive is not better.
Yes.
Yes,
So
something else? Anyone else?
positively, we can
You
uh,
say, can say, yeah, you can use a synonym which has positively. You can say this is
agree. Sir, agree. We can use agree in
no,
No.
no, no, no,
no.
no. This is when it's saying positive, you should say beneficial.
Yes.
You can use
Merits. Yes.
beneficial. That is one
Useful.
word you,
Can we use
yes,
useful?
not useful. You have to say
Merits. No.
merits is
No.
for advantages, disadvantages.
Advantages.
You should
Okay.
say beneficial is a good word. Remember,
Yes. Yes.
for
Yes.
positive, it's a beneficial. So now that you have thought of you have read the essay twice, and sorry, the question twice, and you have thought of the words and the decision, you should think of points that will support your decision. So
Yeah.
what would be one point that would support your
New
decision? Pardon?
sir, new skills.
It will have it
They
will
aware
provide.
about new
No,
skills.
the question is the lifestyle of people everywhere has become similar.
Okay, lifestyle.
That is the issue that they are asking. They are not asking about the benefits of science and technology. That is something you have to be very careful. The
Hmm.
real question is this: the lifestyle of people everywhere has become similar
Similar.
because of science and technology. Is this positive or negative? So the real question, like I said, is what you're seeing that is highlighted. The
Yeah.
lifestyle has become similar. It is not
Yeah,
is
right.
science and technology is everywhere.
Okay.
It is not that technology everybody can use and do banking and all. That is not the issue they are talking. They are
Yeah.
saying the lifestyle.
Lifestyle.
Everywhere people are doing the same things,
Same
wearing
thing.
the thing. So we have to think accordingly. So if we are saying it's a positive development, we have to continuously prove why
Yeah.
it is a positive development. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes,
So,
yes.
how I'm going to say is because of science and technology,
Yes.
the first point I'm going to say, because of science and technology, everyone is. Let me change it. Or I can't say everyone because there will be always an exception. So we
Right.
can say most
Most.
people
Yes.
know how to follow, mm, how to communicate better. Okay, now again, remember the lifestyle of people has become similar. So how can we say that this is, how can we think of people whose lifestyles have become similar? Another way that we can think of, remember this is planning stage.
Yes.
We are
Mm.
thinking and planning. So we have to think about how people everywhere have become similar due to science and technology. We can say that viewing TV has improved English language skills, right? So
Right.
people can understand each other better. Remember, the question always in IELTS is to uh, give examples from your own experience.
Yes.
So I'm just writing points which we can think and eliminate where needed. What are some other points where people's lifestyle has become similar? We can think of people banking.
Sir, banking then online shopping.
Yes, banking and online. That's good. So banking online, you can say shop online.
Yes.
But remember the lifestyles are being similar. That is the query that we have to
Yes.
say. How can we connect? So when we say this means anyone knows how to,
Yes.
No, no.
Transaction.
yes, how to transact. Transact. Okay, so these are
Yeah.
how you can think of points.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Remember, you have only 40 minutes to do this.
Yes.
So, in case you don't get lot of points,
Yes.
make the things the simpler and just communicate well. They are not going to test your knowledge. They are testing your communication skills.
Okay.
So, shopping online means same products everywhere, right?
Yes.
So quality, because see, remember again, I want to emphasize lifestyles has become similar,
Similar.
means same
Yes.
product available.
Yes.
So we have a certain assurance, right? So if we get, for example, a Dell computer in India, the people using a Dell computer abroad, they also will know that this is the same computer and they can go ahead.
Yes.
So once you have think of these points, it may not be the best of points, but
Yes.
remember you have a time pressure happening, so, and
Yes.
you are aiming for around 7 bands. So expressing yourselves well according to that public band descriptors will
And
help.
sir, we
Yes.
can also add this point that because of pandemic situation, work from home, it is also becoming similar now. It is
Okay,
become
so you are
identical
saying
issue.
okay, work from home is but again the lifestyle has become similar. Is this yes? From home is happening. So that's also a point you can use. Now
Yes.
remember, once you collect some points, you
Yes.
should decide which one you want to use first, which one you want to use second, which one you want to use most. And
Oh,
remember, that is the question again is about lifestyles being similar. So
Similar, right?
now that you have collected all these points, you
yes.
can start writing your intro. Let me pull this down. We will start writing our intro. So
Yes.
remember, how do we write intro? By
We will
using the time.
paraphrase.
Yes, by using the time that is given
10.
to us. Yeah. So the intro again, remember, should be very simple. Don't waste time writing big intros because the emphasis of the question would be beginning from the body paragraphs.
Yes.
So always keep the question also in mind. The question is from where all your answer should flow. So due to the advancements, so you can think of an intro that says, undoubtedly, if
And
it is something that you have it is an established truth, you can say undoubtedly science, see, scientific
yes.
and technological
Technological
developments
development. Yes.
has enabled individuals to become very similar, see, become similar, very similar, and you can give an
Identical.
example. Identical is not similar.
Okay.
Identical means exact copies, which is
Yes.
not the true. Become very similar
Hmm.
in their approach to life, right?
Okay.
Right.
Uh, then you should say, I believe. Why do you think this is a positive development? This is a beneficial, beneficial trend because think of a small global reason why it is. It enables the human race to progress collectively. Okay, so remember it is about lifestyle, and you are saying that this is a positive step. And every time whenever you're doing something, okay, I'm turning off my spell check here, but remember in the exam you won't have spell check, so I'm just turning it off
Yes.
so that you will get into the habit,
Hmm.
to check your answers whenever it is after every sentence. Please check your answers so that you get, you don't have any errors there. So this is how you write an introduction. Then you quickly go and begin with your body paragraph.
Yes.
The body paragraph should now start supporting why you believe this is a beneficial trend. Then you will say one positive outcome of having uh, a similar lifestyle. Remember, you use is that, and this is where you will start applying that policy of peel. What is peel, Vishal?
Fine.
Vishal, quickly, please give answers fast.
I forgot, sir. Sorry.
You forgot?
Point, example,
Just
elaborate.
I just
Yeah.
now,
So
now I remember. Point, example, explanation, and linker.
yes. So every you should think of two points for one paragraph on one topic, which is why is this a positive development. So one positive of having a similar lifestyle is that Now you should think about how people can what are the benefits of the this development is that people can communicate with each other better, right? So why I'm saying similar lifestyle means communication is better. I'm
Yes.
not giving a, then I'm giving an example. For example, because of web shows,
Yes.
web
Or
series,
or
and
yes, sir. Or we can say OTT platform. Or
yes, and documentaries enabled by global over the top. OTT ka full form over the top, or you can say instead of using all these are maybe a little informal words, enabled
right.
by global internet access, people can understand English better over wider geographies. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you have given your example, and then you should give an explanation. Due to this, more people can communicate in English, which makes business and academic and personal, or instead of business, we can say professional and personal interactions better. Do you agree to that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this
Correct.
is your peel happening. First you gave a point, people can
Yes.
communicate better because they have a similar lifestyle.
Yes,
And then
right.
you're saying why? Because of, for example, because of web series. See, web series. The plural of web series is web series. Yeah.
Yes.
Then you are looking to improve. Once you write a point, one peel, you go back and check if there's any mistake. One positive of so you're checking is that people can communicate with it. For example, because of web series and documentaries enabled by global access, there will be a global access. You put a comma. People can understand English better over wider geographies. Due to this, see, due to this, you put a comma. Due to this, more people can communicate in English. See, there's a spelling mistake. I put an extra S, which
Yeah.
makes professional and interactions better. Then you think of the next point. We have a next point here: banking,
Banking
shopping.
and shopping.
Then you bring your linker. Furthermore,
Yes.
Yes.
internet banking enabled by technology can
Sir.
help people transact easier, whether they are in, now here you can think of in India, America, or anywhere in the world. Now you said give your second point, and then you give you gave an example. Enabled can help people transact easier, whether they are in India, America, or anywhere in the world. This means that citizens can do more efficient work without visiting bank branches uh, wherever they are. See, you're giving that this is a more efficient work.
Hmm.
Okay, so you have given your second point. You have given your example. See here, I clubbed the example and the point, and then I have given an explanation. Now you go to the next paragraph, and I'll just stop here before I come to the next paragraph.